friends, for our math journal today, we're going to do addition with objects. So you're going to need this paper, and I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. And now let's read our directions. It says directions. Count the fingers. Look at each equation. That's a fancy word to mean our addition sentence. Look at each equation. If it is correct, color a happy face. If it is not correct, color a sad face. Let's do the first one together. So I'm going to look and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers plus 0 fingers. Now, let's read our addition sentence. 5 plus 0 equals 3. If I have 5 plus 0, that does not equal 3. So that is not correct. We're going to color a sad face. Sad face. Now let's see if this one matches the picture. 5 plus 0 equals 5. I have 5 plus 0, so I have 5. That one is correct. I'm going to color the happy face. All right, my friends, you're going to do the rest on your own. You're going to count the fingers and then look at the addition sentence. If it's correct, color a happy face. If it's not correct, color a sad face, just like we did on our first one. All right, boys and girls, Mrs. Newlands and I will see you back soon.